Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Lian Luo Smart Limited, and this is the long term or the monthly chart of this particular stock. So there is one thing which you can probably see in this stock, that the stock has been consolidating for the last couple of months at this particular price. Okay, so here you have that the stock is trading near 34 cents. So more specifically, that looking at the current price trend, anything could happen, but if the stock is trading or even for a shorter time frame or a longer time frame and at a very low price, although the price is like it's penny stock, but if it is holding in this current price level over a specific period of time, it shows that if things hold, then the kind of market we have, sometime what will happen that it gets rewarded and stock will sharply move up in a single trading sessions or so, and these kind of trends are very common here. So taking that into consideration, what we could probably see in the stock, that's what we are going to decide for this particular stock and in this particular video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the all notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now in this case, if first of all, if 0.34 holds, then we are going to talk about the upside. But if it fails to do so, then obviously the stock will fall down and one should not hold any position because the next probable point will be zero. Okay, now if the stock is holding this level, then the next level for this stock will be the first target or resistance will be $1.11, then we have $1.37. Okay, and if it goes beyond that, then we have 2.86 and probably $3.42, and after that you have $6, and finally $13, which was its previous high. So we are not going to go beyond that, but these are the levels which one could see, okay, on the upside. So the condition is if the stock hold this particular level, and there are lots of times which we can see in the past couple of months, if you just taken out the stocks or the list of stocks which has moved like crazy over a period of very short amount of time, and there is no such relevance of data that it's going to happen, but movements are happening. Okay, so that's the thing one need to understand over here. And the second thing, which is the most important, that you need in these kind of cases, one need to understand the important support and resistance level, because stocks are very volatile and it does not sustain at a particular price, although it's going up or falling down sharply. So the most important thing here is if it going up sharply, so the same thing happen on the downside as well. So you should know what's your support level, what's your target level, what are the kind of risk you are taking, and with that, if you want to go ahead, that is up to you. But if you do not understand and do not have any plan accordingly, then it would be a very big blow to your principal amount. Okay, so that's a very serious thing to understand here. So if you have a plan, then obviously that's up to you. If you don't have a plan, you are taking a risky bet. If things goes for you, fine. If things won't goes for you, that will definitely cost you. But what you can see here is this, that if this level holds, obviously we are going to see levels on the upside, and it is open till 13 as per the stock trend or the price movement we have. It can go up to 13, so there is no visibility beyond 13, so that's why we are restricting ourselves till 13. But it can go up to any level or in between 0.34 and $13. The field is completely open. The only thing we need to see here is how fast and how far it will go. And one thing that the probability for that is very high is about the sustainability. We know that the sustainability of this particular stock will be an issue. So understand the trade and then act accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.